Good morning, dear students. Today we'll learn the branches of psychology. Clinical psychology, counseling psychology, school and educational psychology, experimental and physiological psychology, industrial and organizational psychology, social psychology, developmental psychology, community psychology. Some applied fields of psychology are as follows: psychology allied to crime, psychology applied to ministry affairs, psychology in law, psychology in administration, psychology in mental health. Clinical psychology. Clinical psychologists are also doctors who diagnose psychological disorders and treat them by means of physiotherapy. Many people are confused about the difference between clinical psychologist, psychiatrist, and psychoanalyst. Clinical psychologist, PhD or PSOID or Doctor of Psychology. Psychiatrist, MD or Doctor of Medicine. Psychoanalyst, MD degree. They use the techniques which originated with Freud and his followers. The clinical psychologists are better trained in doing research and involved in systematically studying better ways of diagnosing, treatment, and preventing behavioral disorder. But they cannot prescribe drugs like psychiatrists, what's seldom needed by patients. So clinical psychology is very useful to relieve the symptoms of psychological disorders and also help people understand the reasons of their problems. Counseling psychology. The work of counseling psychologists is quite similar to that of clinical psychologists, but they work with people who have milder emotional and personal problems. They may use psychotherapy and test to measure aptitudes, interests, and personality characteristics. School and educational psychology. School psychologist deals with the learning difficulties of students and trying to remedy them. The school psychologist collects information from students and his parents. Some other people, psychologists, are involved in vocational and other forms of counseling. They are the school's counselors. Educational psychology may include school psychology, deals with more general, less immediate problems. The educational psychologists are connected with increasing the efficiency of learning in school by applying psychological knowledge. Experimental and physiological psychology. Experimental psychology tries to understand the fundamental cause of behavior. Experimental psychologists do research studying such fundamental process as learning and memory, thinking, sensation, perception, motivation, and emotion. Psychology considered to be a part of broader field of neurobiology, the study of nerves, system, and in function. These psychologists are concerned with relationship of the brain and other biological activity to behavior. Thank you.